RAF Kalafrana, Malta's guardian.
Kalafrana began before the RAF. Approved as an Admiralty seaplane base in 1916 and operating that same summer, it gave Malta a maritime air outpost from which flying boats hunted submarines and watched the sea lanes. After the RAF was formed in 1918, the station remained active, and in the interwar years, it grew into both a flying boat base and a communications hub, eventually becoming the RAF's first inter-command wireless telegraph station. In the Second World War, Kalafrana became one of Malta's maritime lifelines. Sunderland flying boats of 228 and 230 squadrons operated from its waters on reconnaissance, anti-submarine, and anti-shipping patrols. One helped sink the Italian submarine Rubino in June 1940. Others came back shot through and barely controllable. In April 1941, one Sunderland was strafed and burned at its moorings in a scene later immortalized by Group Captain Gerald Livock's photograph from his office window. But Kalafrana did more than fight. Its rescue launches pulled airmen from the sea, and its workshops repaired and salvaged the aircraft that kept Malta alive under siege. HSL 107 alone would be credited with 86 live rescues. Broader wartime records compiled from Malta's rescue service counted 273 pilots recovered from the sea. By war's end, Kalafrana had become a place of patrol, rescue, improvisation, and endurance. A station where the Mediterranean War was heard in propellers, sirens, and engine noise over the bay.